A is for apple. A apple. A is for aunt. A aunt. B is for baby. Ba baby. B is for ball. Ba ball. C is for corn. Kha corn. C is for camel. Kha camel. D is for dog. Da dog. D is for doll. Da doll. E is for eagle. A eagle. E is for egg. A egg. F is for fan. Fa fan. F is for frog. Fa frog. G is for gun. Gun. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for house. House. H is for horse. Horse. I is for ice cream. E ice cream. I is for insect. E insect. J is for jelly. Jelly. J is for jug. Jug. K is for king. King. K is for kid. Kid. L is for lamp. Lamp. L is for lemon. Lemon. M is for mosque. Mosque. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nurse. Nurse. N is for nest. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for oil. Oil. P is for parrot. Parrot. P is for papaya. Papaya. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for ribbon. Ribbon. S is for snake. Snake. S is for spider. Spider. T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for tomato. Tomato. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for under. Under. V is for vase. Vase. V is for vegetable. Vegetables. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. W is for window. Window. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yard. Yard. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zip. Zip. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Wow, very good. Clapping. Now next is animal name. Lion. Tiger. elephant, elephant. Zebra, zebra. Camel, camel. Horse, horse. Hippo, hippo. Panda, panda. Now next is vegetable name. Tomato, tomato. Radish, radish. Okra, okra. Peas, peas. Cucumber, cucumber. Wow, very good. Next is fruit name. Apple, apple. Mango, mango. Guava, guava. Plum, plum. Papaya, papaya. Very good, childs, very good.